A conventionally constructed foundation is poured in three parts: a footing, a wall on top of the footing, and a floor in between the walls. But a monolithic foundation is different. It's a two-piece construction. The floor is poured with very thick edges, and those thick edges are the footing, which bears the weight of the whole house to the soil. The wall is built on top of the floor. Typically, when a foundation leaks, the perimeter of the floor is removed so a subfloor drainage system, such as the WaterGuard system, can be installed along the bottom of the wall. But with a monolithic foundation, the edge of the floor is very thick, and removing it would be very difficult and pose a threat of structural problems with possible settlement of the home. To fix a water problem on a monolithic foundation, the answer is a two-stage system. First, a subfloor drainage system is installed around the perimeter of the basement, 3 to 4 feet in from the walls. Smaller drain channels are installed to the walls at intervals. Then, a perforated drain pipe is installed under the floor, and smaller ones to the walls. The drain pipe is run to a sump system such as our triple-safe sump system. Next, a dry track system is installed at the perimeter of the floor against the walls. The dry track is a hollow vinyl drainage baseboard that is permanently epoxied to the surface of the floor and does not involve removing the floor at the perimeter. Weep holes are drilled into block walls to drain water from the walls into the dry track. Next, the floor is reconcreted and restored. Shown here is our optional clean space vapor barrier on the walls and our optional but recommended SaniDry basement air system to control humidity and air quality. The dry track drains water from the walls and the floor wall joint, and the subfloor drain drains the dry track and protects against floor leaks. Together, they provide complete protection from groundwater leaks for your monolithic foundation, permanently and without risk of structural damage.